Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the caramel. Heat 3/4 cup sugar with 3 tablespoon water until deep amber, then immediately pour into flan molds. Swirl to coat bottoms. Next, whisk 6 egg yolks with 1 Oz can condensed milk and 1 can evaporated milk, then season with a pinch of salt and vanilla. Once mixed, temper the eggs. Slowly add about 1/2 cup warm milk while whisking to avoid cooking the yolks. Make sure to strain the custard into molds for a silky texture. Once your molds are ready, set up a large pot with a metal rack or trivet and add 1 to 2 inches of water. You want gentle steam, not boiling. Arrange the molds upright on the rack so they don't touch the water. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook on the lowest heat setting to maintain a steady simmer. Make sure to avoid heavy bubbling. Excessive movement will make the custard grainy. Check after 30 minutes. The centers should still jiggle slightly, and a toothpick should come out mostly clean. Once the flans are set, turn off the heat and let them cool in the pot to room temperature so thermal shock doesn't crack the caramel. After cooling, refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. This firms texture and helps with clean unmolding. When ready, run a thin knife around each mold, invert onto serving plates, and tap gently to release. If your custard curdled or split, strain the mixture, gently whisk, and rebake at lower heat. The main fix is to avoid high temperatures and rapid boiling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.